Guys, in this video we will see how to fix page unresponsive error on your Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing page unresponsive problem on your Chrome browser, this problem will also arise in Mozilla Firefox, Edge. Same process you will apply it all everywhere. Open Google Chrome browser, click on three vertical dot against top right corner and hover the cursor on help and choose about Google Chrome. It will update your Google Chrome browser. Sometimes outdated Chrome browser may be a cause of page unresponsive error appear. The second one is again go to three horizontal line against top left corner, click on it and here choose privacy and security, click on it, scroll down and click on delete browsing data. Click on it and here from the top go to advanced tab. Time range should be set all time and make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data and cached images and files, and finally choose delete data. It will clear your browser history, cookies and site data from your Chrome browser and check whether your page unresponsive error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose run. Clear your storage by deleting temporary files. Go to run command box and here type temp. This command will open temporary files folders of your system. Simply select one of them and press Ctrl plus A to select all temporary files and choose delete. Such type of message appear. Choose skip and thereafter again go to run command box, right click on a start button and next command should be percent temp temporary and percent. Click on OK. It will again open other temporary folders of your system. Select Ctrl plus A and delete. If pop-up window will appear, choose skip. Repeatedly press skip and delete all your temporary files and folders on your system. It will clear your system cached files, temporary files, and helpful to fix page unresponsive error on your Chrome browser. And check whether your page unresponsive error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open Google Chrome browser. Click on three vertical dot against top right corner and choose settings. Click on settings. Here again choose, click on three horizontal line against top left corner and choose system. Here you will find hardware acceleration. Use graphics acceleration as well as hardware acceleration. Simply turn off this feature. Disable this feature. Hardware acceleration, you will find hardware acceleration or graphics acceleration. Delete this. Turn the toggle button off. Disable this feature, hardware acceleration. The next one is again open Google Chrome browser and click on three vertical dot and look for the option extensions. If you have added any extensions to your Google Chrome browser, simply disable it one by one. Turn the toggle button on off against all the extensions added to your Chrome browser. Your error page unresponsive in Chrome